ricotta there. Delicious foods and drinks and cocktails. On the Avenida Mediterraneo today. Friday the 17th of April. It's a gorgeous warm day. Got this new building here. Monver Mediterráneo. I'm not sure whether they're going to be offices or whether they're apartments. They do look like apartments. Maybe there's going to be shops in there. Four Kings over there, great food guys. If you've never been, give it a try. Lunchbox on the corner. And then XXL shop there. And the Avenida store. Got some great offers. La Femme Prada. Ooh. Of course, we've got Mother's Day coming up. I think, don't quote me, it's the 6th of March. 6th of May, I mean.
€7 or whatever, but well, just like 20 quid I'll come back at it, isn't it?
And then we've got laser fun there. And also a Dutch doctor's there. Thanks for watching guys. Hit the like, hit the share, hit subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.